Welcome to the video Third Normal Form. This is part of the series for the Access for Professionals videos at Olympic College. My name is Pam Bilodeau, and I will walk you through the concepts contained here. If you are unfamiliar with the concepts of normalization, I recommend you watch the previous videos entitled Normalization, First Normal Form, and Second Normal Form as part of this video series prior to watching this video, since topics covered will assume you have familiarity with the basics of normalization covered there. Third normal form has two concerns: that tables are already in second normal form, and that each table has no transitive dependencies. Let's look at these two things more closely. Recall that the normalization process is iterative, which in this context means each normal form level includes the constructs of the level before it. To be in third normal form, a table must already be in second normal form. Just what is a transitive dependency? This is where one non-key field in the table relates more directly to another non-key field in the table than it does to the primary key. Recall that tables need to be based on a single subject, where every field in the table describes a single attribute about the subject. The primary key is the unique identifier that is guaranteed to be different for each record. In this example, we have a table that tracks cars and uses an ID field as the primary key. The ID is unique for each record. All of the other fields in the table need to relate directly to the primary key, which describes directly one car. Tables can hold many fields or attributes to describe the subject, and sometimes fields relate directly to each other, more so than to the primary key for the subject. In this example, we see a car table that tracks fields that pertain to the cars. The owner ID is a logical field in this table, since the car is owned by someone, and the owner of the car helps describe a direct relationship to the car itself. In reality, we would see many more fields as well in this table to help to describe the car. However, we are keeping it simple for the sake of the lesson. Notice we are tracking the owner's phone number in the table too, and that is problematic. In this case, a phone number relates directly to the owner rather than the car. When you see this type of thing, you have a transitive dependency. A transitive dependency describes a field that is once removed from its relationship to the primary key. Fields that show transitive dependencies need to be removed from the table and placed into their own tables. In summary, third normal form requires two things: that tables are already in second normal form, and that there are no transitive dependencies, which helps reinforce the notion that all fields in the table relate directly to the primary key in order to keep tables to a single subject. To continue your learning on designing databases, I recommend you watch the next video in the series, Table Relationships. Thank you for watching this video.